I think, having that, not only the digital mindset, so digital transformation has been happening for the last, 8 to 10 years within banks. But I think more importantly, having that sustainability mindset, that sustainability behavior. And it's not only about the consumer. I mean, the corporate world has been driven significantly by the way we look at ESG, right? Which is really under the umbrella of sustainability, environment, social, and governance. And if you get a customer or get a big asset player like BlackRock, who's now dictating in the industry that I'm not going to invest a single dollar more if you do not meet the criteria of my ESG metrics. So now you're beginning to see a lot of corporations saying that I need to step up. So banks needs to be a lot more innovative. Banks need a lot more transformational in the way they think about how they create new products around, the world of sustainability, right? A lot of times I think they have to think about, what's ahead of them. So looking at hindsight and insight is not good enough. They have to build the muscle on understanding the foresight. And that's when they begin to innovate around, the new world of sustainability.